Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class we are going to learn exercise 13.1 of chapter surface area and volume of class 10. In our previous video we have studied the formulas and how to find the total surface area of combination of solid. Now we are going to do exercise questions. So the first question, two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So what is given in the question? Two cubes of volume. So volume of the cube is given. Volume of a cube is given as 64 centimeter cube. So two cubes are joined together to form a cuboid. So we are getting a cuboid here. So for finding the surface area, we have to find the surface area of the cuboid. So we have already studied the formula for TSA of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So for this we need length, height and breadth of the cuboid. But what is given? Volume of a cube is given as 64 centimeter cube. So you know what is the formula for volume of a cube? A cube. So A cube is equal to 64. From that first we have to find the value of A. So A will be cube root of 64 which is equal to 4 centimeter square. So we got the side of the cube as 4 centimeter. So side of the cube as 4 centimeter. From this we can find the length, breadth and height of the cuboid. So the length will be, so we have joined here two cubes to form the cuboid. So the length of the cuboid will be 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter. So the length of the cuboid L will be 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. What will be the height and the breadth of the cuboid? Height will be 4 and breadth also will be 4 centimeter only. Breadth also will be 4 centimeter. So height will be 4 centimeter and breadth is also 4 centimeter. So now we will substitute in the formula TSA equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, which is equal to 2 into length is 8. So 8 into breadth is 4 plus B into H, 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. So 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32. So 64, 70, 80. So 2 into 80. So the answer is 160 centimeter square. So this will be the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now we will see question number 2. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Okay, so vessel is in the form of a cylinder. It's the combination of a cylinder and a hemisphere, and the diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. So the diameter of the hemisphere is given as 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is given as 13 centimeter. Total height of the vessel is given as 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. So this is the question. We have to find the inner surface area, that is equal to total surface area only. So how will you find the total surface area of combination of this solid? So we can add the CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. So here we have to find the height of the cylindrical portion. What will be the height of the cylindrical portion? The total height of the vessel is given as 13 centimeter and the radius of the hemisphere. So radius of the both hemisphere and the cylinder will be same only. So the radius will be is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. So this radius is 7 centimeter. So the total height is 13. So height of the cylindrical portion H is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we are going to find the inner surface area of the vessel. So inner surface area of the vessel is equal to, this will be the sum of CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. So what is CSA of a cylinder? 2 pi RH plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So from these two we can take 2 pi r common. So you will get here h plus r. Now we will substitute the values and the value of pi is given as 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7. Radius of the cone and the hemisphere both are same only. So that is 7. Height of the cylinder is 6. So 6 plus 7. So we can cancel these two. So 2 into 22 into 13. So 44 into 13 we will multiply. So the answer is 572 centimeter square. So the inner surface area of the vessel is 572 centimeter square. Question number 3. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. So a toy is in the shape of a combination of a cone and a hemisphere, and the radius of the cone is given as 3.5 centimeter. So the radius of the cone and the hemisphere are same, that is given as 3.5 centimeter, and the total height of the toy is given as 15.5 centimeter. So total height of the toy is given as 15.5 centimeter. We have to find the total surface area of the toy. So we have to find the TSA of this toy. So you know that TSA will be the sum of CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So for finding the CSA of cone, the formula is pi r L. So you need slant height L. So how will you find the slant height? For that first we have to find the height of the cone. Height will be h is equal to total height is given as 15.5 minus this portion is actually radius of the hemisphere, that is 3.5. So the height of the cone will be 12 centimeter. Now slant height L is equal to root of h square plus r, that is root of 12 square plus 3.5 the whole square, that is root of 144 plus 12.25, which is equal to root of 156.25, which is equal to 12.5 centimeters. So the length of the slant height of the cone we got as 12.5. Now we will find out the total surface area of the toy, which is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere, pi r L plus 2 pi r square. So from this we will take pi r common. So L plus 2r. So what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into radius is given as 3.5. We got the slant height as 12.5. So 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5, that is 7. So here we can cancel. So 22 into 0.5 into 19 points. So the final answer will be 214.5 centimeter square. So this is how we have to find the of combination of solid. So today we have completed 3 questions of exercise 13.1. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next video. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription, my motivation. Thank you.